You are watching a YouTube channel on chapter 2 physical quantities and measurement. Okay, so I've already completed chapter 2. So today I will discuss on the numerical problem regarding density numerical problems. Okay, so here this is the question number 1. A stone of mass 22 gram is immersed completely in a measuring cylinder containing water. Due to the mass of the stone, the water level rises by 17 milliliter. So what is the density of the stone? Okay, so now listen. Suppose this is a measuring cylinder. Okay, so here the water level up to the mark. How much water is there? I don't know. But when you immerse a stone in a measuring cylinder, then you will find that the level of water will rises. The level of water will rises by 17 milliliter. Okay. So now listen. Let first of all, what is the given here? Mass of stone. How much? 22 gram. So here I say mass of stone means M is what? 22 gram. Okay. So next is when it is immersed in a measuring cylinder, the level of water rises by what? 17 milliliter. This means that volume of water equal to 17 ml, and you must keep in mind the volume of stone is equal to the volume of water. That is the stone displaces the volume of water is equal to it. Okay, according to the Archimedes principle. Clear? So this, and you must keep in mind that 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so this means that volume of stone is 17 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the mass of stone and this is the volume of stone. So now you have to find out the density of the stone. You have to find out what? Density of the stone. You have to find out. Okay, so mass of stone means M, and volume of stone is what? V, and density is what? D. Okay, so we must keep in mind that you know very well density equal to what? Mass by volume. Mass by volume. So mass is given here 22 gram and volume is what? 17 centimeter cube. Okay, when you divide it, then you will get the volume of what? Density of stone. Okay, so let's divide it. 17 1 ja 17. Okay, 0.2. This means that 1.29 gram per centimeter cube. This is the density of the stone. Clear? So next is question number 2. Question number 2 is here an empty specific gravity bottle weight 32 gram in a physical balance. This means that this is the mass of bottle here. Okay, mass of bottle. Clear? Mass of bottle, or say M1, how much? 32 gram. Okay, next is when it is completely filled with water. When it is completely filled with water, it has a mass of what? 72 gram. This means that mass of bottle containing water. I mean mass of bottle plus water. Say M2, how much? 72. Okay. Again, on filling it with methanol, अगर मैं बोतल के बीच में मिथेनॉल भर देता हूँ, देन द मास ऑफ द बॉटल इज फाउंड टू बी 64 ग्राम. अब देखो, मास ऑफ बॉटल कंटेनिंग मिथेनॉल से M3. Okay, how much? 64 gram. Okay, so we have to find out the density of the methanol. Now listen, first of all we have to find out, you must keep in mind, relative density formula is what? So I am writing on the right hand side so you will clearly understand. Relative density of what? Methanol equal to what? Mass of methanol divided by mass of what? Water. Okay, so now let's first of all we have to find out the mass of water, then mass of methanol. Clear? So here mass of water. Okay, say MW. So mass of water means what? Mass of bottle 32 and mass of bottle containing water means this. So this means that we shall subtract M1 from M2. Okay, then we get what? 40 gram. So this is the mass of water. Next we find mass of methanol. Okay, mm. So this means that M3 minus M1. Okay, so M3 weight means 64 minus this one. How much? 32 gram. Okay, so this is the mass of water and this is the mass of methanol. Now we have to find out the relative density of methanol is what? Mass of equal to mass of methanol upon mass of water. So what is the mass of methanol? We have say here 32 gram. Okay, mass of water means this means that relative density of whom? Relative density of methanol is what? 0.8. Okay, this is the third question. Find the relative density of wood. You have to find out the relative density of wood that has mass of 25 gram and volume of what? 29.4 centimeter cube. Now listen. So what is given here? Mass of wood is given here. Okay. MW. This means mass of wood. How much? 25 gram. Volume of wood. Okay. This is 29.4 centimeter cube. Okay. So you have to find out the relative density of wood. So you must keep in mind that according to the definition, relative density means what? It is the ratio of the density of a substance to that of the density of what? Water. You must keep in mind. Okay. So this means that relative density of what? Wood equal to density of wood divided by density of what? Water. Okay, so now listen, you know very well the density of wood formula means what? Mass by volume. And also you must keep in mind that the density of water is what? 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the 1 gram per centimeter cube. Clear? So mass of water, how much? 25 grams. 25 gram by volume of water means 29.4 centimeter cube. Okay, upon 1 gram per centimeter cube. Clear? So 25 gram upon 29.4 centimeter cube into what? This is the divide. Okay, when we convert divide into multiple, then what will happen? 1 centimeter cube per 1 gram. Okay, now strike out, and when you divide it, you will get 0.850. Okay, 0.85. Clear? So this is the relative density of what? Wood. Clear? तो आपको दिमाग में रखना होगा कि डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर कितना होता है? 1 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब होते हैं। और डेंसिटी ऑफ वुड का जो फॉर्मूला है वो हो गया मास बाई वॉल्यूम। तो मास बाई वॉल्यूम जो वैल्यू था वो मैंने यहाँ पुट किया। मैं अगर 1 से डिवाइड करता हूँ तो ग्राम ग्राम सेंटीमीटर क्यूब क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा। अब ये जो 25 बाई 29.4 था तो 0 हो गया। इसको आप डिवाइड करोगे तो आपका क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? 0.85 आंसर आ जाएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट? we find relative density of wood is how much? 0.85. Okay, bye bye.